Okay, hi and assalamualaikum. We meet again, okay, for this next chapter regarding organ system in human body. So we just learn about the organization, okay, from atoms, molecule, small molecule, large molecule, large molecule. Then we have tissue, we have organ, okay, organ and organ system, and a being, okay, right, such as a human. For this topic we will go for human. Okay, so next we want to learn about the organ system in human body. We have several organ system, but we not go through all of them. Okay, I just name it here. We have muscular system, the one that allow us to move, okay, all the muscular system. Skeletal system, the one that provide structural support and protection to our other organ. Third, cardiovascular system, by the name of it, more to the heart system, okay, pumping blood, okay, for the oxygen and carbon dioxide changing. That it's not necessary just that, okay, because the cardiovascular system is actually the engines of human body that have a blood as a medium, and blood carry not just gases, not just oxygen, a lot other of nutrients and excesses, okay, or waste product, okay, bear in mind on that, okay. That is cardiovascular system. Fourth will be respiratory system. This is mainly to the gas exchanges in our lung. Gastrointestinal, this is what we eat, okay, and then what is went out, okay. And then integumentary system, okay. This is a few things that we will go through. Beside that, this just go through that for your information. We do have other type: urinary system, okay, nervous system, endocrine system, male reproductive system, female reproductive system. This is actually just we can cram it under reproductive system. And lastly, lymphatic system, okay. But for this part we go for the muscular, skeletal, cardiorespiratory. That's it, okay. We only cover for this part, okay. Without further ado, all right. So muscular system, I did mention before, is about muscle, motor movement, okay. It's composed of muscle and tendons, okay, allow movement or run, to walk, to sleep, to breathe, and so on. Maintain good posture, our facial expression, angry, happy, sad, and so on. And produce heat, okay. For information, all the movement, okay, produce energy, and byproduct of one of the energy also a heat, okay, to sustain our body temperature, which is ideally 37 degrees Celsius. All right, then the skeletal, I did mention before, composed of 206 bones, cartilage, and ligaments. And if we are in the baby stage or infant stage, we consist more bones, okay. It's mainly to protect our internal organs and to support, okay, our body, provide the framework for muscle attachment and the movement, site for blood cell formation such as our white and red blood cell, and definitely store minerals such as calcium and others components such as magnesium and so on, deposited within our bones. Third, cardio, as I did mention, is composed of heart, blood vessel, and definitely blood. Okay, the heart pump blood, and the blood vessel transported blood throughout the body, and the blood transport oxygen, nutrient, and tissue, and remove waste from the tissue, and the blood itself is produced from the bone. Sorry, the pictures. Okay. Alright, I think now you can see my face. Respiratory system composed of nose, trachea, bronchus, bronchi, lungs, and alveolus, which is keep our blood supply with oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. Okay. Of course, we inhale a lot of type of gases, but we just focus on oxygen and carbon dioxide because we take oxygen and we remove carbon dioxide from our body. And of course, under respiratory system, it's not just gases, it's also some water droplet and so on. Alright, last but not least will be our nerve system, composed of our brain, spinal cord, nerve tissue and sense organ. Okay, we have peripheral, we have central nervous system, and so on. That one we will go deeper alongside the chapter, but that one will be taken by my colleagues. Okay, it's a fast acting control, such as we have something like fast response, fight or flight. Okay, and then respond to stimuli or stimulus by activating muscle and our gland. Alright, so that's it. Next we go for hemostasis. Thank you.